Hey you guys, it's Tamara. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And please leave feedback in the comments below. Today I'm going to be trying to step out of the box and play with some color. If you're interested in how I got this look, just keep on watching. I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Emerald Obsessions palette. I think these are so cute. And the colors are so pretty. Look at that. I'm excited. I really want to use this dark green color right here. Like I said, since I'm not an expert on color or eyeshadow really, I'm going to do one eye off camera and then I'll come back when I figured out what I'm doing. So I'm back. This is what I came up with so far. So basically, I use these two colors. Do these have names? No, they don't have names. Well, anyways, I use this color right here, the dark green, and I use the brown right here under it. And I also use my bronzer in the crease, the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deep. It's just like a warm cocoa brown. Well, if you build it up, it's a warm cocoa brown. And I also use this matte black shadow from Sephora. It's called Black Ice. So yeah, basically I just went back and forth with those colors. It took quite a while. I was originally going to go do a halo eye, but the black eyeshadow was kind of frustrating me a little bit because it wouldn't get into the inner corner of my eye. So I just said forget it and just put the shimmer on the first half of my eyelid. So basically I'm just going to dip into the bronzer. And I just prime my eyelids with some foundation. So I dipped into the bronzer. And then just going to put that in my crease and on the outer edge. I'm just going to keep building that up. Now that that's built up to my liking, I'm going to take this brown color right here and start putting it on the inner and the outer corner of my eye. I just do the same thing, just start off with a little and then build it up. It's easier to build things up than to take them away once you've added too much. So just take your time and go little by little. I mean, it takes a while, but the product is much better. And I'm going to start incorporating the black, and I'm using a different blending brush for the black, a smaller. This one's just from e.l.f. And again, especially with the black, you'll just want to do a little tiny bit to start with and build it up too. Black eyeshadow is very intimidating to me. Okay, I'm not going to add any more. I'm just going to take the brush with the green on it, the greenish brown color, and take a little bit of that. It's just to blend the black out so it's not too harsh. I'm just going to keep building the black up, going back and forth between the green and the black. And the inner and the outer corner again. And connecting it in the middle when I blend it. Now with this flat shader brush, I'm just going to take this dark green right here and pack it on my lid. Well, on the inner part of my lid. Towards the middle. I'm kind of cutting the crease with it. Well, I'm not going past my mobile lid. And then I just get a makeup wipe and clean up the edges. And clean up the under eyes because I have a little bit of fallout. But fallout doesn't really bother me. That's why I do my eyeshadow first before the rest of my makeup. Then I'm going to take this Glide gel liner from LA Girl. It's just black. And I'm going to take this and line on my lash line. Kind of take it up into a wing because I want to smoke it out. I'm going to take this small detail brush from e.l.f. and just kind of smudge that out as best as I can. Alright, so now I'm going to do the rest of my face and put on lashes. I will record me doing the rest of my face, but I'm not going to talk through it or anything. Just going to speed it up just so you can see. But yeah, I'll catch you guys when the rest of my face is done. finish up the eyes, I'm just gonna run some black eyeliner under and just make it super smoky, that's all. So as I was saying, I'm just taking that same black eyeliner that I used earlier, and I'm just gonna line in my waterline, and under my eyes I'm gonna smoke it out. Now that I've done that, I'm going to smoke it out with that black eyeshadow that I used earlier. My eyes water so bad. Oh, I think I'm ruining it. Now y'all see why I don't do colors and stuff on my eyes. My eyes will not stop watering. Then now I just ruined my entire face, girl. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna go fix this and I'll be back with my hair and everything and all that stuff. Alright guys, I'm back. So this is what I could come up with. I know it's probably not that bad. It's not what I envisioned. You know, sometimes things just don't go the way that you plan, and sometimes you just gotta roll with the punches, you know. So that's what I tried to do today. I tried not to get discouraged, even though it was really hard. I really wanted to cry. I had spent all that time putting on lashes, and then I take them off because my eyes started watering too badly. I mean, I guess it still turned out okay. It doesn't look terrible. And I hope you guys like it. Hope my skin doesn't look too bad because I had to repowder and all that stuff. So yeah. My hair didn't turn out exactly how I wanted, but like I said, things don't always turn out the way you want them. Sometimes you gotta roll with the punches, so it is what it is. It is what it is. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I tried to do something a little different and so I can blew up in my face, but but I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.